Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another KBS painting video. Getting old CJ looking pretty crisp, guys. So as you didn't see the last video, we did a rust seal on our inside of our CJ here. Getting her all good. So as we told you guys in the other video, she's not the prettiest body and all that, but we're trying to get her just looking a little bit better, getting her sealed up, and that's what this stuff does here. It's going to help this body keep from rusting anymore, and just get it coated up real nice. This is a 2-layer paint. As I mentioned in the other video, we kind of forgot that at the beginning to mention that, but we got it in there. So what we're going to be doing today now is our top coat, which will be with our Blacktop that has UV protection, which is going to keep this looking nice and black and not fading in the sunlight over a long term, whatever, its lifespan. So this is what we got going on. Just like the other one, guys, you're not going to want to shake this up. You're going to simply tip it over like this. We're going to let this sit like this for maybe a minute or two, not very long. And then we're going to take it back over, and then we're going to pop this lid off, stir her up, and we're going to get painting. So we're going to put it in a cup or something just so we don't ruin the paint that's in the can with any debris. Nice thing is, this stuff here, we're not going to require much prep work since we have a fresh coat of paint down. So this will be good. They say with this paint here, as far as when you're doing the seal coat, you don't want to let it dry and then put another coat on. You're going to have to scuff it. That's only because the way it adheres and all that, it doesn't have anything to do with as far as anything sticking to it as far as a different type of paint. Alright, but we're going to get going on this, get this sucker all stirred up, ready to go, put some paint down, and I'm pumped, guys. Once we get this done, we'll be putting seats in and stuff like that in the other videos. But let's show you guys what this Blacktop stuff really looks like. And I'm excited. It's gonna look good. I love this KBS stuff. Alright, so we got the KBS Blacktop paint in here, and it came out really good. I want you guys to remember, I know I've said it 100 times, but this was on an old paint in the first place. Low prep work. So a lot of the stuff you see is previous paint work on this thing, or welding, or patching of the the body here. But it still came out really good for what it is. I mean, you can't expect much if it's low prep work, and this came out really good. You could tell the quality of paint 100%. My opinion, this blew Rust-Oleum out of the water. After getting all the coats done and like they wanted us to, this looks super good, guys. So really impressed. I was a little worried when we first got it down. It looked super shiny, and it didn't seem like it was going away, and it was a little bit more. This was a satin black. So as you can see, it came out really well. And make sure you guys follow us, because we're going to be doing Next we got is the KBS seats here, if that's how you pronounce them. We got fresh seats with our brackets and all that. We can get this mounted in here, and we're also got our roll cage, which we got plenty more work to do to this thing. And we're going to be doing we're going to do the proper paint on the roll cage. We're going to do a 3-step process like they recommend as far as getting it prepped. And we're also going to do 1 coat of seal, 2 coats of seal. And then we'll do a I think it's called, I don't know what we're going to do a top coat paint by KBS also with the spray gun and get this looking really good. We don't know what color yet. It's going to be a type of silver, I think we're going to do. Nothing too fancy, but it's going to get looking really good, guys. And it's going to all bring this all together. You'll see right now it looks a little shabby still. There's still a lot to do. We'll probably end up putting some floor mats in and all that just so it'll kind of cover this up, but also because we have our exhaust right here and it gets super hot. So just even a little bit of layer will be nice for, comfort for the driver and passenger. And this will all clean up. This hasn't been shined up in a while. So this just needs to be clean with a little shine, and she'll come back to life looking really good. So make sure you guys hit that follow button because we got a lot of good stuff coming for this Jeep, and we plan on just keep on, restoring this thing and making it better and better as, time goes on. So if you guys like restoring CJs or making your CJ look better, this is it, guys. We're gonna get at it. And if you don't know anything about this CJ, we already got a little work. So we got our old Chevy 350 small block in here with a TH350 trans, and it runs super good. Make sure you check out some of our other videos where we got this thing running and all that. We don't have a battery. I'd start it up for you right now. Obviously, we got a little nitrous, which we're going to be bumping up the nitrous on this thing. Right now, we just got a little baby 50 shot, but we're either going to go to a 75 or a 100 shot. Pretty sure it's going to be a 75 shot because we'll be able to run our ignition exactly how it is. We won't have to reduce any more timing and all that stuff. But other than that, guys, like, this thing is going to be good. Be ready to rip for sure. So probably end up having to do a little refresh job on the outside here, but she's nothing fancy, but she's a good solid Jeep on a good solid frame. So body was never the cleanest on this thing, but we just make do. It's not all about looks for us. It's more about just having fun. So that's how a lot of our rigs are. So we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you later.